Welcome to Mbombela Fanatics, and I'm your host Limbo Mohalo. Today I'm in Kanyamazana Stadium to witness the MFC clash between Kruger United and the Peace. A game was just going to the scoreline of 2-2. It was in Mpumalanga affair. It was a derby here where Kruger have been crowned today as the MFC champions. And now I'm joined by my friends Ayo Kruger United. Asugale Pushbakrish Nyanbingelela. Congratulations on gaining automatic promotion to the Petro Premiership.
Thank you for that. My name is Intelligent from Belferdina.
Sure.
To support
Sure.
Kruger United. I'm so
Sure.
glad to see the game today. Yeah!
United, are you seeing them today that they will that one day that next season they will be running in the Petro Premiership?
I'm so excited to see the game today. I'm so glad. I'm going to see it at Mbombela Stadium.
Yeah.
PSL. Yes, we are going there.
Next season, with Kruger having been promoted to the Petro Premiership, ulinzele ini tukayo liqembu lekhona le Kruger.
Silenzele success.
Success.
There's nothing else beside the success. Icembu le Kruger funa libuye litodlala la Kanyamazana Stadium.
Sure.
Because the support is well overwhelming.
Yeah.
Uyabona. So siyayicela iKruger United kusibuye ma home games awo abuya to supporta la stadium Kanyamazana Stadium. Sikhona thina nge full capacity support. Because if Gumusi baya kule ndzawo, they won't be having that support that they are having right now at Kanyamazana Stadium. So sitsine as Kruger, congratulations Kruger United. We are fully behind the Kruger. And also Stella Gusi Kruger ibuye todlala la Kanyamazana Stadium so that I support itobakhona.
Nduna yami ngembi kokuthi ngisuke la ngikwekele nduna yami licembu silibonile le season lena bebanendela ama free entry nduna yami ukuthi ngene nduna yami lokho kunigcugcudele ngana njengabo balandzeli beKruger ukuthi nite stadium niphume bo chairman banendela nalo licembu linendela ukuthi ngene mahala khona la stadium.
Lokho kusicugcudele kakhulu because uma singena la stadium siyakhona ukuthi support iKruger ngebuningi so ukuthi siyakhona support iKruger ngebuningi. Mama sinika ma free ticket mahala siyakhona ukuthi sibuye stock support iKruger sayithanza iKruger yethu yala eMpumalanga iKruger sto support up until the end and njengoba nyali ingenile ku-PSL stoba fully behind iKruger.
Ngibonga kakhulu nduna yami isikhathi sakho.
Siyabonga nduna.